Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to convert photos to PDF on iPhone. So right now I will show you the easiest way to convert any photo to PDF without downloading any app. First of all, go to your Photos app and open the photo that you want to convert to PDF. Now just tap on the share icon at the bottom left. And here you have to tap on print. Now tap on the share icon at the top right. And here, as you can see, the photo has been successfully converted to PDF. Now it's time to save this PDF. So here tap on Save to Files and select a folder to export the PDF and just tap on Save and done. Now I'm going to opening my Files app and going to the folder where I just exported the PDF, and here I'm searching for the PDF photo. As you can see, here it is. So this is how we can easily convert any photo on iPhone to PDF. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.